Hey, Steve Basic Architect. Yeah, we made our way over to the Oslo Opera House. Check that out. Very cool. You can just jump over here. So this little entry connector from the street there brings you onto this plaza. It is all Carrara marble, and it is continuous inside and out, and you can see it ramps up. And then of course you have the main building, but you also have that ramp that you can see. People have the ability to walk all the way up to the top of the roof up there and then walk back. And we're going to make that journey here in a second. But I wanted to give you a quick view. Just absolutely gorgeous. And the fact that the plaza, it has an edge here, but you can see it literally, like a glacier, would continue all the way down to the water. So it literally rises out of the water to an absolutely beautiful building, built in 2008. So yeah, it's been open for 16 years. Let's take a walk up the ramp, see what's going on topside. All right, so we're over here at the foot of the ramp. I wanted to point out a couple things. Just, you know, it's the amazing thing about architecture, and I've said it 1,000 times, probably said it another 1,000 times. It's so hard to be simple. That is just a pretty simple form, but man, is it powerful. It's just absolutely beautiful. And then of course, you know, the ramp up here is all the marble, but what they did here, this is pretty interesting. It's like an integral gutter that it's not draining the water, it's just basically capturing it from that line there and brings it down here. And then basically it just kicks it out here, and I'm assuming it jumps out over, and then there's that drain right in there. So it's just capturing it there. Just very, very subtle. And yeah, they have the ramp here, but if you choose to, they have a full set of stairs that you can walk up with a handrail and all that good stuff. So let's make the trek up the hill here. There's some pretty cool things to see along the way. All right, so jumped over on the right side of the building. I just wanted to show you, this is one of those little, I don't know, I would call it a formal culvert. You can see how it kicks the water all the way down there, and then the water goes out and drops into that other culvert and gets brought all the way over to the drain on the other side. So very subtle. I mean, it's pretty interesting that, I mean, that's up probably about 2 inches, maybe a little less, inch and a half. It's clearly a tripping hazard, but, you know, in Norway, maybe they live by, you know, don't be stupid. But here's the building, and we're about to walk up the right side. There's another culvert here. So it's interesting, if you, I don't know if you can follow along on this, like this is the far right side, kicks the water over, that water goes down to there, that culvert brings it over, it goes down and then goes all the way over to the side. So pretty much all of the water in this sloped plaza ends up in that far corner over there, and then there's a drain there. Just really cool. The other thing that's probably one of my favorite features about this building is not the fact that Jake Bruton is standing in front of it, but they have these outcroppings. So when you think of like ice plates and see them, there's always these kind of planar outcroppings, and they did such a great job of displaying that kind of natural feature As we look up, you'll see there's a couple more up there and up there. And this is truly a, hazard, because you're coming down the hill and that's probably a 9-inch drop. But again, it's one of those, commend Norway for saying, hey, don't be stupid. Let's go look at the side of the building here. And you have this giant glass wall here. And you take care of all of the water is coming down that wall very well into this gutter system. Absolutely amazing. All right, let's continue up.